In the quest for sustainable transportation, automakers are continuously pushing the boundaries of innovation. One such pioneer is Toyota, a company renowned for its commitment to environmental conservation. Today, we delve into Toyota's latest breakthrough, the hydrogen combustion engine. Picture a world where our vehicles emit nothing but water vapor, where renewable energy powers our journeys. This vision is becoming a reality thanks to Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine, a cutting-edge technology that holds great promise for a greener future. Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine is a groundbreaking development that combines the best of two worlds: the efficiency of internal combustion engines and the clean emissions of fuel cell technology. Unlike traditional gasoline engines that rely on fossil fuels, the hydrogen combustion engine uses hydrogen gas as its primary fuel source. When hydrogen combines with oxygen in the engine's combustion chamber, it undergoes combustion, releasing energy. The only byproduct of this process is pure water vapor, making it an incredibly eco-friendly alternative. So, what sets Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine apart from other technologies? Feature 1. Increased efficiency. First, it offers enhanced efficiency compared to conventional gasoline engines. The use of hydrogen allows for more complete combustion, maximizing the conversion of fuel energy into useful work. This results in improved fuel economy and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Feature 2. Hydrogen infrastructure. Second, Toyota is actively collaborating with governments and industry partners to develop the necessary hydrogen infrastructure. By establishing a network of hydrogen refueling stations, Toyota aims to make hydrogen-powered vehicles a viable option for consumers worldwide. Feature 3. Versatility. Lastly, Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine is designed to be versatile. It can be adapted to power different types of vehicles, from passenger cars to commercial trucks, offering a wide range of applications and addressing various transportation needs. Toyota's commitment to sustainable mobility doesn't stop at the hydrogen combustion engine. The company has also introduced a range of hydrogen fuel cell vehicles that complement this technology, providing even more options for environmentally conscious drivers. Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine is a remarkable step forward in the pursuit of clean, efficient transportation. With its increased efficiency, focus on hydrogen infrastructure, and versatility, it paves the way for a future where we can enjoy the freedom of the open road while minimizing our impact on the planet.